Hello guys, my name is Nalki Tejasvi in TYCU. Today I am explain second practical of MAD, that is install and configure Java Development Kit JDK, Android Studio and Android SDK. So let's start. So guys, you can open any favorite browser and just search for Android Studio. Download, and guys, you can see the official website and you can just click on this link. You can redirect to this page. Here you can see here official website. You are click on the download button, and guys, you will see license and agreement, and just scroll down and click on this checkbox and click download button. My download has been started, and so please wait, and remember one thing is you need. Now to install, and I am clicking on this let me minimize on the browser, and here I am going to click next button, and this welcome screen. Now here choose component, it is Android virtual devices. So if you want to run Android application, so your application run on virtual devices, you click on the next button by checking this virtual devices. Part of the Studio, it will be the install, and click on this next button. Just click on install button, start installing with your Android Studio. Please wait for it. So my installation is done, it is completed, and click next button. And now show install Android Studio on our computer, and that check the start on Android Studio and finish, click on button. Just click on OK button, do not import if any setting, and click on OK button, and here you have to select don't save. It is click on next button. I am going to select SDK and click off next button. I am going to click on install button. This is an license and agreement page, and accept license and click license button, and next click on finish button. File for installing this SDK, just click on finish button over here, and welcome to Android Studio. And here we have option for I am going to new project.